All right, what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter, and today I have got something that I don't take lightly. This is one of the most creative floor plans that I have seen, and if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I have toured thousands of RVs. So today I'm down at the Tampa RV show, and the manufacturer rep from Saber wanted me to get this. When I walked in, I was actually shocked, because usually when these reps hit me up saying that they've got something brand new, they are usually fibbing. You know, it's an LED light or something kind of goofy, but this is truly unique, and I want your guys' opinion on it. So drop a comment, let me know what you think. This is the 2025, what's up? This is the 2025 Sabre 37 RV miles. It has a patent on the deck, so just like that 33 RLP, it collapses up against the wall, sort of like a slide. But they also have a drop-down frame in the back with a bunk room that has a projector, a desk, and storage underneath the stairs, as well as a loft. Pretty darn crazy. Now, they named this camper off of a YouTuber named RV Miles. So I'm talking to him, I'm complaining, where the heck is the RV Hunter model? So the Saber reps, if you guys are watching this, come on, let's get something going, baby. Drop a comment, let them know that you want the RV Hunter camper. But 2025 Saber, 37 RV miles, and very similar setup to this 33 RLP. So if you don't have kids, but you love the way that the deck is and the living room, make sure to check that one out. I mean, look at that functional space. This is a super slide, and it slides up and over the counter. So that's why you're able to get a little extra countertop space. You also have, you know, this slide out with your dinette. But since this is, I'm going to go back to that bunk room I'm just excited. What a good day. You know, down here in Tampa, it's warmer than it is in Ohio, and there's more RVs than there are in Ohio. Well, accessible, I guess. I mean, look at that L couch. Could you imagine laying up with Honey Bun? You got a pull-out couch for the grandkids. You got a little TV dinner tray that you can pull up on the ottoman. Armoire ottoman. Still having troubles with that, but, you know, whatever people call that. But what a cool spot. And it looks good. LED strips going up there. This is that patio that I was talking about. I mean, perfect place to sit out here. Imagine having some coffee. Imagine laying back, reading a book, all with a view of hopefully a beautiful lake. I mean, I just love this setup, and it's got its own dedicated awning with the LED lights. You have the mirrored reflective finish. Perfect place to check out the old bowling gun, baby. But I mean, dang. It's on a cable slide system, so you're probably looking at about, I would say, 2,000 pounds worth of weight, but it makes sure to double check that because places do hire me because I'm friendly, so I don't know it all. So right there, you got that room, access to the patio, which is great. But I mean, look at that. What a cool little area. And I'm going to show you a couple things that are down there that are very interesting that I kind of mentioned. But first, you have this loft up here. So emergency exit, pull, push, and plop. You can get out in a hurry. I would say the only downside is it's, you know, I mean, I'm a bigger guy, but, you know, getting through there, I'm going to have to do a little sideways. Whoa, gosh. A little sideways roll to get into it. But for the kids or for some storage, perfect place. The head height on it's incredible, too. I mean, you can already tell you can sit up. You also got a ladder to help you get there, too. Now, you come down here. You're going to see you have a projector TV. Freaking cool is that? You got a little bookshelf right there. Windows coming out the back for a great little view. Talk about making this an office. I believe... yeah, so that's going to make a bed right there. Awesome. Right here, you got the steps. You would never know. There's a little hinge. Lifts up to just a little bit of storage right there that you can, you know, pull out. So, I mean, how freaking nice is that? Never seen that before. You turn around. You think it's just storage for your clothes and plenty of it with the hanging rack. You think that's it. But you also got some storage totes there. But then this right here. Boom. Little bit of a desk area. Boom. Drop it down. Super cool. Outlets to use it. Heat to stay warm. And then you flip that back in there. A little hard with one hand, though, because of the magnetics, I'm assuming. And then right there is going to be your projector. So it's going to come out to about a 70-incher, as you can see, you know, right there. Pretty darn cool. You got the little octopus guys. You know, hang a coat on me. And you are ready to rock. You also have a door here, and again, the exit out. But I mean, what do you guys think? Now we're going to explore the rest of the floor plan, but I mean, just dang. That's all you can say about it, is just dang. Sometimes you just see a floor plan and you say, yup, that is a winner. It'd be interesting to see how it sells, but I know that I would be, you know, a buyer for sure. And maybe while you guys are doing this, since this is the first one in the entire country, drop a comment, let me know how maybe you would change it. So you got a 15K up right there, so that's nice. I didn't look up in the loft. Is there... We can see here. I don't know if there's another AC up there or not, but there surely is one up in the bedroom. But again, the L couch, this pulls out right here, is going to be a recliner. You're also going to have probably the industry's largest TV. I mean, that's got to be 65 inches, 70 inch, something like that. The fireplace to keep you nice and a roasty and a toasty. You know, on days like today down in Florida where it's 50 degrees out, that'll be all the heat that you need. And now we are back out over into the slide out where you see a table with no knee knockers, no carpet into the slides. It's also got really nice slide height. So you're looking at about 6'3" right there. I mean, check that out. Good storage. Zebra shades. It opens up for a good breeze. That one does not open up for a good breeze, but that one does. But the zebra shades, you got kind of half Dracula and full Dracula mode right there. And then you flip it around, and then we're back over into that kitchen, kind of where we started. You have a pull-out little doggy tray right there. Inverted outlets, which is nice. So if you get the solar, option, you can run through, some of that stuff. So that's pretty cool. You also have the TikTok sink there too, which is nice with the cup cleaner, soap dispenser, and then the waterfall with the high-rise faucet, hitting those dishes from all angles. Ooh, look at that. Got some free gum if anyone wants it. If you're down at the Tampa show, might still be there. Please don't, though. And Shirley, if you're watching, I'm sorry. Couple of pull-out drawers there for you. Solid surface. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. But, I mean, look at all that. You got outlets here, outlets there, 3 top burner. Not the smallest, but not the largest either. You could definitely cook a chicken in there, no problemo. And then you're also going to get the convection microwave too, which is nice. Usually when you have an oven, you don't get the convection. But that's got all the modes that you need. Popcorn and potato. You're also going to get a place, for your booze. If you're a big-time boozer, you can do big-time boozing. 12-volt cubic foot refrigerator. It's going to be the 16-footer. So in the 16-foot, you're going to get 2 of these guys, whatever you call it, kind of like a regular freezer drawer. And then up top, you're also going to get a lot of good space. So whether you're using the back as an office or for the grandkids, a week worth of groceries really won't be a problem no matter how you're using it. We really like to do the like the Keurig machine. And right here, you have hidden K-cup storage. So, I mean, my wife would love this feature. So like right there, it's all magnets up. You pull it down and you're good to go. But very, very cool. Very thoughtful. It's just one of those things that's, you don't have to have it, but like you want it, K-cup holder. You definitely want that. Outlet, USB universal C. Very interesting setup here as well. And my glasses keep kind of slipping off. So let me just put those on. Give me just a second here. What do you guys think? Getting used to them. Finally past like the fishbowl stage. But I'll tell you, it's a dangerous world. Everything is so freaking sharp like that. That wouldn't have scared me yesterday. I mean, look at that. That goes out really, really far. More pull-out storage down here. I mean, just awesome. It just goes back forever because it's built kind of into the frame there. You also have the floating steps, your fuse box. Let me turn back around here. I mean, very, very cool. And then right here is going to be your control panel. So all of your slide outs, your lighting fixtures, you have all the places where you can check, all of your tank levels. And then you're heading up. You have a nice little window over here to the right. And then the bathroom is not anything crazy, but it's just enough space for everything. So what I mean by that is you're going to get a real size shower. It's not going to be one where you're feeling claustrophobic, you're breathing heavy, and you're just saying, get me the heck out of here. I mean, I'm 6 foot, 300 pounds, and you can see, borderline on room for 2 if you want to get a little funky down at the campground. You got about 6'6" right there. Place for soaps, place for shampoos, place for buns or legs. If you're going to get shaven or something. The toilet, not perfect, but not bad. I mean, this thing brushes up against my shoulder just a hair. But other than that, I mean, I am a bigger guy that can still fit in there. So I really can't complain. But I do think that is a wicked cool feature to have. And then you flip it around. Bowling gun, storage, sink, outlet. I'll tell you, when you record all day long, you start to get a little crazy. And I think I'm at that crazy point now. Like right there, you got the old Steamer Stink Sucker 3000. And then heading up into the bedroom. I mean, just plenty of space. I mean, you're just not upset being in here. You got the queen size bed. It looks like you got room for more, so you could possibly get a larger bed if you would like. It's on the strut system. You're also going to get the backlight for the headboard here. But what's nice, and I didn't show it in the 33RLP, because again, they hire me because I'm friendly, there's a little bit of hidden storage. You flip it around, you got another AC. You also have your TV that's on a backer. So you got your cable hookup, and then your outlets here, emergency exit, 4 pull-out drawers, and then you have a really nice size front closet. But all right, guys, drop some comments. Let me know what you think, but also let them know that they need to be naming an RV after me, because for the fact that that is a freaking cool thing to be said. It's like, hey, my name is Hunter. I've had an RV named after me. I would like that. That's my new goal. That's my new goal, is to grow the channel so large that I get not only one, but maybe even 2 named after me. But all right, 2024 Sabre 37 RV miles. Pretty darn cool. Promise you, it's not like anything that you've ever seen before, which is a rarity in an industry that just copycats, everybody. They're also going to be using features that you might like the Norco frame, which is going to be huck bolted together as opposed to welded. So it's going to be, kind of a more sturdy kind of long-term build there. You have your molded fiberglass front cap with the, the 2 or the 3 little kind of dots on this side, and then the LED strip right there, which shines up much nicer at night. The BAL, which is also by Norco, that's why you get that large closet there up top. And then underneath, you're going to have a heated and enclosed underbelly there too as well. You also got a leash latch for your furry friend, 20-pound propane tanks. That is not a 20-pound, but you have space for, maybe it's just because they're at the show. You got a little baby tank right there. We don't want a baby tank. We want a big old honker. Bada bing, bada boom. Pretty darn cool. This turns on the lights that are in here. It also shows off that aluminum frame construction as well. And then this is going to be a hinge friction door, something like that. Remember, mumbling and jumbling. These steps flip up into the doorway. You also have an awning with the LED lights right here. And now we're back out to that Sundeck. By the way, this is all vacuum bonded sidewall construction with the extended season package as well. But I love the Sundeck. I like the name. The only brands that can have it are going to be Saber, and then there's one Montana model, but they have the patent for the remainder of the year. So hopefully they abuse that. I mean, just take advantage of it. Keep making more patios. I'd like to see one, maybe 2 patios, something super crazy. Plug-ins back here. You have your on-the-go ladder system right there, along with your backup camera prep that's going to be designed primarily for a Furrion S Vision, so that way you can see what's going on behind you with some distance markers. You're also going to be prepped up, not prepped up, I'm sorry, you're eligible for slide toppers if you would like. Prevents debris from falling on top of the unit, so that way it kind of helps out with the maintenance aspect. But it's a fully walkable roof. I suggest you go up there, every couple of months or so. Dump valves located right there, back end of the Suburban tankless on-demand hot water heater. So if you're not familiar with that, basically it's going to be pretty quick heat for you. You also have hot and cold water in the form of an outside shower, black tank flush, and then your antifreeze inlet, as well as your city water connection. Auto level controls right there, and then your other propane tank, which again, I think by the time you guys purchase it, should be a 20-pounder. You're also prepped up for the 3-camera safety system. So one here, one on the other side, and then one up front. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Again, my name is Hunter, and this is the 2025 Sabre 37 RV Miles. See you.